Hello everyone. Good morning. Pinya video abang lake ni nang teman peklang ponji KTM bike servicing, KTM RC 200 bike servicing. Asang lang tunon how to do servicing and KTM RC 200. Hello, this is my bike. I've removed all the covers, all the fairings. So this is how it looks in the naked. This is the battery, tanky, engine oil. This is coolant and brake pad, spark plug. This is oil filter, O-ring, and this is the air filter, and these are my tools. Tola si lahaya engine oil, coolant, lahay that servicing larleko. First sabang kila bike warm up kuri sina. Sabso pahit sinang di. Bike is in a neutral mode. So let's start. Rồi cho lên băng ké. Bot pun So non first bang ke là coolant servicing. La coolant plug pun po. Ring range use po 8 number. Plug pun pula dah.
La pun jalan le jo. Anak kiding lah.
Plug pun po.
Jo nak so.
So now need to remove this cap, this one, okay, and that's right. So last one pot dah remove nang po, sanad pollution po. Nami po. Coklan, hai pun po. New coolant. La pelus nang po. Sabso la support player. Kan pelus nang po. To remove this one. Okay. So. And now with the help of this small plier to pull out this one. Mobil henopikan na yo. Mobil man may pin lo. So already 6 months at lo la sa mobil. Actually this KTM need to do servicing within 4 months or 7,500 kilometer. Stame apor videt ajoine pini 6 months playing and see ni servicing nang ko lo jo. So now with the help of this T-range, I'll open up this one. Okay. Hello. Let's see. Oil filter. Kiplok joy perman. So I made this kind of pin hook. Đây là hook bunai si. Hook dulu lah. Là bên si chụt chọc po vùng po. Very easy. Now it will come out automatically. See. Now new oil filter. Already done. Kertak. Again this one. I will put back this filter. Press a little bit, then okay. So I'm going to use this. This is the recommended engine oil for KTM RC 200, 7140 20 W 250 for sure. So this is 100% synthetic motor, 1.5 liter. Okay, so let's open up this one. So open them now. Again, need to open this one. I'll change this new air filter. Okay, new air filter. So open up here. Now see the condition of my air filter. So this is my new air filter. Put back here. Ha, kajok ha, thera. So now I'll change this new spark plug here. Okay. This is my new spark plug. So là throttle body cleaning ta ta lo jo la puta clean lo sapha lo ei throttle body sapha hoise tia sa clean pura clean yo alang ter pikan lo petrol pan se sapha na dak lo. This is the throttle body dim lo jo sapha do la lo, and again need to fix. So today I did full servicing. This is the tanky. So finally servicing is done. In this are KTM RC 200. All the full service is done. So now let's start. Let's start. Laso lebang carbon to cook persi. Start on the low, laso carbon bang sa panang po, la sa palote. Kam chok po.